Hello, colleagues and teacher. I am Edgar Mauricio Suarriera, and this is the spoken project, my favorite food. This project, I talk about my healthy and healthy habits. My favorite food is spaghetti. In really like to prepare in different ways. I had it a lot at dinner time. I also really like fast food, like hamburgers, pizzas, and hot dogs. He had spaghetti on and with almost always on Fridays and dinner time. I prepared it in different ways and company. I want a glass of iced tea or a glass of wine. On Saturdays, I always had some fast food for dinner. Last week, I was pizza, and today is what's hamburger. My favorite pizza is Hawaiian, and always accompanying I want soda. I had spaghetti once with almost always on Fridays and dinner time. I prepare it in different ways and accompany I want a glass of iced tea or a glass of wine. As a conclusion, I can see that my hygiene habits are not very good, since I am not in great physical shape. I am a bit fat and my skin is a bit oily. I have to get better and more balanced. Welcome, rats. That was all. I hope you like this video. Bye.